Astro Pro.
I already discussed the superposition theorem in my last video. Here is another example of a circuit with current and voltage source supplying a load. Given a circuit with a voltage source of 120 volts and current source of 2 amperes. Also given is the line resistance of the two sources, which are both 10 ohms. The load resistance is equal to 5 ohms. Calculate for the current flowing in the 5 ohm load resistor. As I discussed in my last video in solving this circuit using this theorem, we have to take one source at a time. And you have to short the other source if that is a voltage. Or open if that is a current source. By the way, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more videos. In this circuit, first we have to take the voltage source and we open the current source. So to solve this circuit, simply find the R total with respect to voltage source E1. R total is equal to R1 plus RL. Substituting the values, we have R total is equal to 10 plus 5. That will result in 15 ohms. I1 is equal to IL, so to solve that, it is equal to E1 over R total. Using the values, it is equal to 120 volts over 15 ohms, which is equal to 8 amperes. I2 is equal to 0 since the current source is opened. Then next, take the current source and short the voltage source. So the solution, I2 is equal to 2 amperes. Then for I1 and IL with respect to the current source I2, we will use the current divider formula. I1 is equal to I2 times R total over R1. Substituting the values, I1 is equal to 2 times the equivalent resistance of 10 ohms and 5 ohms over 10. That will result in 0.66 amperes. IL is equal to I2 times R total over RL. Using the values, IL is equal to 2 times the equivalent resistance of 10 and 5 ohms over 5, which is equal to 1.33 amperes. So to solve for IL, compare the computed load current with respect to voltage and current source. And since they are in the same direction, they will just be added up. IL is equal to 8 amperes and 1.33 amperes. IL is equal to 9.33 amperes.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.